Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pull up the barcode scanner on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use the barcode scanner on the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Now, on the bottom hand side where it says, "What can we help you find?" you're going to see a barcode icon. If you click on that barcode icon, it's going to be able to scan just like this. So that right there is how to pull up the barcode scanner on the Target app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.